Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I've partnered up with Sephora inside JCPenney, and I'm gonna be showing you guys my haul that I recently got. There's so many new product arrivals and exclusives at Sephora inside JCPenney, all new stuff for spring, and I have plenty of stuff to share with you guys. Products I was really excited about that I wanted to do a look with. Here's a few. We got the Versali Rose Gold Skin Mist. Yes. We have this new NARS lip oil. It's the Orgasm lip oil. I got the Cheerleaders from Benefit, this palette. We got some KAJA. We have a Natasha Denona palette. There's so many products at Sephora inside JCPenney right now for spring, and I'm really excited to this kind of bronzy look for you guys. I can't say enough good things about Sephora inside JCPenney. I love shopping there. It's always a really great experience, and I'm so glad I got to share my haul with you guys in this video and show you how to get this look. I also have something super exciting for you guys, a giveaway at the end of this tutorial. So if you want to hear giveaway details, then you're just gonna have to keep watching to hear them. And if you guys want to see my haul and see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. I'm gonna start out this look by priming my skin, and I am so excited to try out this new primer from Milk Makeup. It's called the Hydro Grip Primer, and the super cool thing about this is when I went to Sephora inside JCPenney, they had a full size and they also had this cute little mini size. So if you guys don't want to commit to getting that full bottle and you just want to try it out and see how you like it, I highly recommend getting the mini one. And it's so cute, it's so tiny. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my skin. It looks really hydrating, and I love that it kind of looks like a gel type of formula. I personally love hydrating primers. Pump out a little bit. Ooh, so it's kind of like a gel. Ooh, it feels kind of like a jam consistency. Ooh, it feels so like cooling and really hydrating on my skin. It feels really nice on my skin. It's very hydrating, and I love how when you apply it, it's kind of thick, but as you rub it in, it really sinks into your skin super nicely. It also gives like this kind of glossy look to your skin, so if you're not wearing makeup and you put this on, I feel like it's also really pretty. So I'm gonna go over my whole face that I just primed with the Versali Rose Gold Mist, and this is gonna add some extra hydration. I was super excited to pick this up at Sephora inside JCPenney because it has these gold flakes in it that are so pretty. I'm gonna show you guys up close. So when you shake it up, you see all of these beautiful 24 karat gold flakes inside. I love the packaging on this mist. This also has rose hip seed oil in it, and with the 24K gold flakes, it's supposed to be very hydrating for your skin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mist this on. It smells so good. And I'm just gonna go ahead and rub the excess into my skin. My skin feels so good right now from those two products, and look at that glow. I love it. I hate when products sit on top of my skin, and I just wanted to mention to you guys that this absorbed pretty quickly into my skin. Like, it feels like it's not sitting on top. Before I start the eyeshadow and finish the rest of this look off, I'm gonna prep my lips, and I love using the Fenty gloss bombs to hydrate my lips. This is my favorite lip balm slash gloss. I sometimes wear it as a gloss, but most of the time I wear this as a lip balm. This is in the shade Fussy, and there are 3 other shades you can also get at Sephora inside JCPenney. This one is my favorite color because it's like a light pink. I just love this color. Also, the wand on this is huge, which I love. I love that it has a really big applicator, and it's just really pretty. This remains on my desk. I use this every single day, and it's one of my fave lip products. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and did my base, and I used the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation. I love this foundation, and you guys can actually get this at Sephora inside JCPenney, and I used the Lock-It Concealer Cream. These two together are one of my favorite bases to pair. It's just flawless. I love it. And I wear shade Light 44 Cool, which is like my perfect match. And that is my base, and I went ahead and did one eye off camera, and now I'm gonna do the other eye with you guys. So I'm gonna use the Lock-It Concealer Cream to prime my eye, and I'm just gonna put a little bit because this is really thick and full coverage, so you don't need a lot. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. So we're gonna be using the Mini Nude from Natasha Denona, and this is such a cute little palette. It's only $25 at Sephora inside JCPenney, and I know that these Natasha Denona palettes, the larger ones, can be so expensive, but you can really get like this beautiful look just with this little palette, and these shadows are just amazing. I love the way this eye came out. So I'm going for like a chocolatey brown, very bronzy vibe, and that is definitely this palette. So you guys can take a look at it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades. All the shades you need for like a nude look. I'm first gonna pick up this shade here, and it's called Sienna. And I'm just gonna start placing that in the outer corner and bringing that into my crease. And this is such a beautiful transition color. You guys, these eyeshadows are so pigmented. You could dip in once and you get so much pigment. It's insane. I've really been wanting to try this Mini Nude for a while, and I am so impressed with it. I think it's really pretty. I did something a little bit more glam today, but you could definitely just use like this color and then the shimmer, and it's very wearable. Like skip the lashes and you have an everyday palette. And I'm also gonna bring that down onto the lower lash line. My obsession lately are these new cake pencils from Kat Von D Beauty. They are super long lasting, and this has been like my favorite eyeliner for a lot of my looks. This one is in Mad Max Brown. It's just the perfect brown. It's not too light. It's actually really deep. So when I don't want to use like a black eyeliner, this is so nice to just like smudge out on the eye. So I'm gonna place this on my waterline, and I'm actually gonna smudge this out with that brown shadow that's in the palette. I'm just kind of stamping it in the outer corner, and I'm going to use a fluffy brush to really blend it out. And I'm just going to take that cake pencil and also apply it to that lower lash line and then smoke that out. Just kind of lined it up and connected it with that shadow. I'm gonna pick up the lightest shade in this palette, and it's this really pretty champagne color. I'm gonna place that on the lid, and I'm gonna fade it into this one here. It's called Bronzage. This one is my favorite shade in the palette. These shimmers in this palette are so beautiful. You don't even need to wet your brush. They're just really pigmented. You watch this color, it is so stunning. And I'm gonna place the lightest color here in the palette on the brow bone, because I really want that to look super shiny and like glossy. I also picked up this product from KAJA. It's super pretty. This is called the Beauty Bento Bouncy Shimmer Eyeshadow Trio in Toasted Caramel. They have a few different colors, but this one is like the bronzy one, and it's just so pretty. You guys, you need to swatch these in person because it's literally like pressed glitters. They're like shimmers, but they honestly look a little bit like glitters, and I just love it. I'm gonna take this top color. There's actually 3 colors. This is the first color, the one I'm gonna be using. There's like a chocolatey brown. Then there's like this dark brown. So pretty. All of these colors. I'm just gonna pick this shade up with my finger, and they're super easy to apply. I'm just gonna go over basically the whole eye with this. I'm even gonna go over the dark brown with it and just tap it in, and it just adds the most beautiful shimmer to the eye look. I'm gonna add some into the inner corner. And as a last step, I just like to take my concealer on like a little flat concealer brush, and this is what I do for almost every look. I just go in and clean up that eyeshadow line, and it just lifts my eye up and also makes the shadow look a lot cleaner. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some mascara and lashes, and I will be right back. So I got the Cheerleaders Mini Bronze Squad by Benefit, and this is so cute because this is also a mini. They have a really big palette that is the Bronze Squad, but I really like the mini one because it has basically the highlighter that I was really interested in. It's called Cookie. It looks so pretty. This is only $25, you guys. You get a bronzer, a highlight, and you get a blush, which is really nice. So I'm gonna be using all 3 of these. Such a good deal too, and I do prefer like smaller palettes or smaller primers, mascaras. I don't know why, I just always do. I like the minis. I think they're so cute. Not for nothing, but I think in some cases smaller products, they actually work better than the larger ones. I don't know why, I just feel like that. I'm gonna pick up Hoola and I'm gonna use this to bronze my face. Bring on the bronze, baby. I'm trying to look really bronze for this look because we have super bronzy eyes. I love the Hoola bronzer. It's like the perfect bronzer color. It's not too orangey or too warm. And for blush, I'm gonna use Gold Rush. And I actually have never tried this before, but it looks really pretty. It has this kind of cool, like texturized pan, and it has like gold on top of it. And for highlight, I'm gonna use this one in the center. It's called Cookie. I've been hearing this highlighter is amazing, so I'm excited to try it. Whoa. That is so intense. It is so pretty. This is like a champagne, kind of like an icy color, and I like it. I usually go for more golds, but this is super pretty with like the nude bronzy eye look. It actually makes your skin look wet. For lips, I'm gonna use this lip oil by NARS, and it's actually called an oil-infused lip tint, and it is in the iconic Orgasm shade. I love the Orgasm blush, so the fact that this is in like a lip product, that is exciting. It's like the prettiest, like pinky kind of coral color. And here's the packaging, you guys. It's super pretty. Love the packaging. So we used the Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist earlier to prep the skin, and now I'm gonna use it to set my whole face. So I'm just gonna shake it up a bit so we can get those gold flakes moving. And I'm just gonna set my whole face. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. This is the final look, you guys, and I am so in love with this look. I really loved everything I used. I think my favorite thing, if I had to say one thing that just like I loved so much out of everything, was this Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. Oh my gosh, I love this. I'm gonna be using this like every day from here on out. The way it smells and the way it made my skin look, I would wear this look any day of the week. So I'm glad I could do this like bronzy, kind of chocolatey eye for you guys. And I know you guys have watched this whole video and you want to know some giveaway details, so listen closely. If you guys want to enter to win a $50 gift card to shop at Sephora inside JCPenney, then definitely check my description box because I'm hosting a giveaway on my Instagram page, and I'm gonna have a post there with all of the rules to enter and all of those giveaway details, so definitely head over there now if you want to enter. I think that is so nice because there are so many new spring product arrivals that are exclusives at Sephora inside JCPenney, and one of you guys is gonna win, and good luck to every single one of you who enter. I'm so glad I got to share all these products today and my haul from Sephora inside JCPenney. I just love shopping there. And if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure you like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of my face, my tutorials, my makeup looks. I would love it if you guys did. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next tutorial.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.